I recently lost a lot of hair and I even went bald, so I'm trying to grow back my hair. And if you are losing your hair, or if you've lost your hair, or your hair is bald, please come on this journey with me. Let's grow back our tresses. So on this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make an amazing hair growth spray that can help you grow back your hair. Cause as I am now, I really must grow back my hair because I've lost a lot of hair and I need to grow them back. So if you're on this journey with me, if you want to embark on this challenge with me, come, let's do this. If you don't desire extreme hair growth, do not use this hair growth spray that we're about to make on today's video. I celebrate each time I come to share my knowledge on Ayurveda with you. Are you struggling to achieve your desired hair goals? Do you want to embrace your natural hair but don't know where to start? Look no further. I am here to help you. With over 7 years of hair care experience and a strong focus on Ayurveda, I am dedicated to educating and empowering individuals to embrace their natural hair. Join me as we make today's recipe, which is very important for extreme hair growth. To begin, grab a jar. As always, make sure all apparatus to be used are well sterilized. So to begin, my very first ingredient for today's recipe is beetroot powder. I'm sure you must have heard of beetroot a lot of times. If you haven't heard of beetroot, please check on my screen, check for the spellings, and then go do your research about this powder. This powder is rich in potassium, iron, and electrolytes. Beetroot helps repair limp hair and reduces the chances of breakage. Massaging the hair with beetroot juice increases blood circulation and opens the pores. The juice enriches hair follicles and keeps them strong, hence reducing hair fall. For the proportion, I'm going to be using 1/4 teaspoon of this beetroot powder. Always know that this powder can be staining, so whenever you're using this product, ensure that you don't overdo the beetroot powder, because if you do too much of that, let's say for instance a tablespoon, that's going to be so staining for you, so just do less of that. For my second ingredient, I've got coffee powder. For the proportion, I'm going to be using 1.5 grams of the coffee powder. You can use whichever brand of your choice, whichever you have around you. Coffee can be applied topically to the scalp and hair to reduce hair loss and encourage regrowth. Coffee's caffeine content can promote hair growth and halt hair loss. It stimulates the hair shaft, causing the roots of the hair to grow longer and wider. As a stimulant, caffeine promotes blood flow to the hair follicles. So coffee is very important for this recipe. I poured about 500 ml worth of hot water into the ingredients in the jar. I allow that to steep for 12 hours before straining. Please, if you don't have time, you can do 8 hours, but please do not exceed 12 hours before straining. After 12 hours, this must have cooled down completely. Then proceed to straining using your strainer and something to collect your product. Next, transfer this into your applicator bottle and it's ready for use. If you want to do extra, you can add some essential oils which will further help with sleep, and also you can add your carrier oils like coconut oil or olive oil, whichever you like. Next is the application. So I'm going to be applying from my roots to my tips. Now I love to leave my sprays as a leave-in. I don't like to rinse them out, but if you want to rinse them out, go ahead and shampoo your hair, deep condition, Then rinse off your deep conditioner and then apply this. Pour it as a tea rinse on your hair and then wait for 30 minutes before you rinse. I for one, I love to leave my herbal teas in my hair because they help me to withstand shedding and breakage. They strengthen my hair a lot and they work better when I leave them in my hair. So when I apply it, I love to follow up with my leave-in conditioner. Ever since I lost a lot of hair, I've been looking for recipes that can help me to grow back my hair really thick as it was. This is very good to start with. So if you've lost your hair or you're shedding so much hair or you're balding, this is a very good hairspray to start with. If you want to grow back your hair, if you want to embark on a journey, please start with this. This combo is very potent and very effective. If you want to grow back your hair thick and stronger, I suggest you go on a 30 to 60 days challenge with this spray, applying it 2 to 3 times weekly without skipping, ensuring that you massage your scalp after application. Remember to apply from your root to your tip. This herbal tea is not for children younger than 2 years. So from 2 years upwards can use this. For storage, store in your refrigerator for 5 days. This is one of the best herbal sprays you would ever try this 2024. Embark on this journey. Ensure you share this video. If you have anybody battling with hair loss, postpartum hair loss, balding, whichever hair problem they are going through, share this video with them. Let them also benefit as you benefited, because I know that this product is going to bring loads of feedbacks to this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, why not do so? Subscriptions are free. Also, remember to share this video with your friends and family. If you have questions for me regarding today's video, please come to the comment section and ask away. I will always be there to reply you. Please, before I forget, always apply this 2 to 3 times weekly. Do not exceed 2 to 3 times weekly so that you don't overdo things. Thank you so much and see you shortly.